What's up, dudes and dudettes? Welcome back. It is the crypto enthusiast Light Liger here, and today I'm gonna be giving my review of the beta version of LBRY, which is a peer-to-peer video platform which kind of works like a BitTorrent in a way, and it's a very similar to the other platform that I reviewed last year called Flixo. And there's a lot of similarities between these two platforms, but there are some key differences how their economy really works on each of these platforms, which I will go through in this video. And I have to say, I started using both of these kind of end of last year, and they have gone some overhauls since then, especially LBRY, which received not too long ago like a visual overhaul of their platform. It looks a lot more cleaner right now. It's easier to read, and I think everything is much easier to find versus the previous version that existed of it. And in terms of video platforms, it's one of those alternatives that is, growing quite a lot, and it received a bit of a bump when it started to kind of operate on its own cryptocurrency, which is the LBRY credits. And currently, the LBRY credits is valued at 2 cents, 2.3 cents. And it's very close, actually, to BitTube's valuation, which is also at 2 cents. And also Flixo, which is currently at 1 cent. But LBRY is its own coin. It's not ERC20 token, which creates a fundamentally a very different angle to the whole cryptocurrency versus Flixo, which might suffer some issues because it has to operate under the Ethereum blockchain, and you always need Ethereum to send Flixo. And LBRY doesn't have that issue. However, these two kind of use a different type of a monetization model, whereas in Flixo you can view ads, and this will get you the currency, and also you can sell the videos, you can set a price to them, and then you can also see the videos, which will get you money. And it's a kind of similar system here in Flixo. So you have videos here, and some of them are free, some of them cost. Here it says actually free here, and you're able to send tips to people directly with LBRY. I have right now 50 credits, which is not very much, but I haven't really used the platform very much. And there are certain ways to get credits. There's a claim reward section, so if you subscribe to people, you get things. There's also this sort of featured creators thing where you get LBRY credits by watching the certain people. That's kind of like a promotion tool. That's inherently problematic because there might be some certain favorship on certain people, but I don't know how far the bias goes and how much there is rotation actually between these people. And then there's the subscribing thing. Referrals also give you LBRY credits. If you also import whole YouTube content that you have, this will also give you actually 250 credits, which is actually like around $10, or at least was at one point. And they do have a publish system here where you upload the content, you get to see the title, the description, put up a thumbnail, and here you can choose a price for it, free or okay. And that's something different from Flixo, because I remember in Flixo there can't be free videos, far as I remember. And the thing is, when in Flixo you are getting that currency through watching ads, is kind of different from how LBRY functions in a way, because it seems that there's a lot of free content in LBRY, which kind of doesn't really solve the issue of, okay, if there's a bunch of people, if 90% of the people in the network are essentially giving the videos for free, if I put up a price, is anybody gonna like buy the videos and actually watch them? Because especially you gotta download them to your own, essentially here I've downloaded a video, which was actually part of the red sign actually is one of the featured content stuff. So I get like 5, I think I got like 5 LBRY credits by watching the featured content, which is very nice. It creates that incentive. But at the same time, I haven't really spent any money on, here are some of my uploads from my other channels, and so far Some of these were uploaded like a month ago. I will upload my crypto videos here soon. The good thing about their publish system is that you are able to choose under a channel, so you can have multiple channels under one account, which actually makes it really convenient and very easy. But so far I have not made a single sale. Is that a problem of the videos not being really findable on the search? I don't know. We could search anime, which is probably the tags that I've used, and because there's no tags in the thing, so we have to kind of question like how people are going to actually find my videos. Is it going to randomly suggest to them? I don't know. So there are some fundamental questions to be asked about what is the exploration rate on this network and how easy it is to get to your content in front of other people. And there are some notable content creators inside LBRY right now, like Jordan Peterson joined in. I think there was a couple of other announcements that they had recently. People I don't follow or don't know, but they were big people in terms of YouTube scale. So in terms of the content creator pool, there's actually a lot of Mother's Basement. I know this guy. Don't like him, but he's very popular. And you had these people here who are like pretty big. So you got actually good names here. Big names in the platform, which is, well, much better in the sense of maybe in Flixo or BitTube, you don't have as many good options to choose from content creator perspective. As a viewer perspective, from, okay, I want a good quality content, am I going to find it on those platforms? LBRY probably has the best offerings. And just to show you how this pretty much works, let's just take this guy, play the video, requesting stream, and see how long it actually takes.
Traditionally, mechanical keyboards have been...
Video, and we're not going to use the audio. But actually the video player, we're able to see this on many websites. It's very fluid. It's very smooth. Aside from that initial load time, it doesn't lag, which is very good, because every time I every day watch YouTube, the fucking videos break. It lags, okay? It starts to circle. I have to refresh many times, change the quality, etc. There are no quality choices here, so I guess the video quality as it is in the torrent, which is nice, and it looks cool. It's very smooth way, but the problem is that everybody who wants to view the content has to download this program, has to download the LBRY client, and I'm not very fond of that thing. The same problem exists in Flixo. I mean, at some point, yes, internet may get to so shitty that this might be the only way to like get certain content, and that's fine. But right now, there are options where I can watch the video in a peer-to-peer network or also on YouTube. So right now, this is not a problem. But it's very hard to get people to convert into, well, watching this shit here. They don't have also a comment section right now. Neither does Flixo, by the way. And your support has been added, and essentially you're applying for the beta test of the videos. And I don't know, there's a tipping feature. We're gonna try it out. I'm gonna send one LBRY credit for him. Okay, done. Let's see where the history doesn't seem to show it. And also, when you upload a video, you have to pay for something. That's something that Flixo doesn't have. The cost is not very much, okay? When you join up, you get like 10 LBRY credits or something, and that will last for what, 100 videos? Yeah, 100 videos. So that's not too bad. And I think if you delete the videos, you get the money back or something. But I mean, I also like the sidebar here where it recommends content from the same guy. So, and there's some other creators here too. The platform has potential. It's just that question is, it's never gonna have the same user base something like YouTube has. Okay, it never will reach to that people will just open a program and watch it through that. It's not very convenient. You can't do it on school. You can't do it at workplace. I mean, especially, I had some problems opening this program. Something about my computer. I don't know if it's anecdotal, but if I only can open it if I open it when the start of the computer. If I try to open it later on, the windows don't open. I tried to uninstall it, install it again, and I don't know where this issue comes from. Maybe it's just my computer and I fucked up somehow. But that's a problem that I had. So the question, this is the big question. As a content creator, how much value and library credits I can get through this platform with its small user base. How much is the top creator, the most subscribed creator in library making right now in a monthly basis in terms of library credits? Is it 50 a month? Is it 100, 200? I don't know. But based on that everything seems to be free content for the most part, at least on the Explore page, everything just seems to be free. It seems that everything is based on donations. I don't like that model because there are people who are there just farming, money, and they're not sending it to anybody. So if how many people are actually donating? What's the ratio in percentage? 10% of their user base actually donating who are not uploading their own videos. These are questions we have to ask, and these are detrimental of the success of the platform. I think it will have its own niche and it will operate in it, but we will see what will happen with LBRY. The valuation of the coin was bigger back in the day, but obviously we're in the bear market now, so I don't think there's a fair argument to be made. But maybe it's a nice side income for me, I guess, and for other creators, because we just upload the stuff there and we don't have to host it from our own computer or anything like that. So it's not an issue. It's not really an issue for me to upload here. But so far I have not made any money. Let's see if the crypto content will do better once I start uploading it there as well from the LBRY channel. I don't have much else to add about LBRY. I will do a new review of Flexo now that it has gone a bit of overhauls and stuff like that. But I do like the fact that LBRY is its own coin, so it's not hampered by the restrictions of ERC20 tokens. And yeah, that's pretty much what I gotta add about that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.